vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds are different from the short vowel sounds. They are made when two vowels are used together in a word. When two vowels are used together in a word, the first vowel is long and says its name. The second vowel is always silent and doesn't give any sound. For example, rain. In rain, we can hear the first vowel A like its name, that is letter A. But the second vowel I is silent. In this video, we will learn long vowel sound of vowel A. Please read the words and complete the words by adding the vowels AI as in rain, rain, tail, nail, jail, mail, sail, pale, aim. Let us read more words. Aid, fail, pain, gain, main, raid, paid. Long vowel sound of A is also made when there is a consonant between the vowel A and E, like in bake. Always remember the first vowel is talking and the second vowel is silent. Please read the words and complete the words by adding the vowels A-E, ape, lake, game, face, case, gate, tape, cake. Let us read more words. Bake, take, make, fade, rate, late, date, save, wave. When a word ends with the vowel A sound ending with Y, it has a silent Y, such as in day. Please read the words and complete the words by adding AY. Always remember the first vowel says its name and the second is silent. Hay, clay, ray, way, tray, play. Let us read more words. Bay, lay, day, may, say, pay, stay, pray. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye.